So we're grinding this together. We're gonna grind the onion, we're gonna grind the parsley, we're gonna grind the basil, we're gonna add in the pepper, jalapeno, this special condiment called Johnson, your leeks, and this right here is from Cameroon. You don't have to have this, but it's called Johnson. But if you want to, you can add about 5 or 6. So I have 6 right here. So these are leeks, okay? So these are, you can buy the scallions or the leeks, that's also good. And you're also going to need some garlic, and also you're going to need your grounded meat. So there you go with that. Alright, so in the grinder, I'm just going to add in, this is the parsley, okay? And then we add in the basil, we add in the hot pepper, we add in the onions. So now we add in the special condiment, and then you can just add this like this, okay? I'm just gonna do, then I'm gonna add in the leek, okay? So this is the leeks going in. All right, so now we're adding in the garlic. That should be about enough for that size. And then this is my white pepper. I'm gonna add in about like a teaspoon, okay? That's the white pepper. Add in a little bit of water. Alright, so this is ready. As you can see, it's pretty well grounded in my opinion. So you can do it according to your liking, okay? Alright guys, so now in the bowl I just added my meat. That's about it. So here I'm just adding more scallions. You can also add parsley if you want, but just make sure it's cut small. Right here it's too big. And I'm gonna add in more onions because I just love onions. Alright. We're just gonna mix it well. Doesn't have to be perfect for now. Add in my black pepper, okay? And see, I added some black pepper. So this is my celery, it's just grounded, okay? So I'm just gonna add that in. So now we're just gonna add in some salt, about this much. I'm just adding in my condiments, just not all of it, just a little bit. So I'm just adding in, okay? That should be enough. I don't have to use all of it. Alright, so I have 2 Maggi's right here. I'm gonna add it to it, okay? Little bit of breadcrumbs if you want, not absolutely necessary, but you can. I'm gonna add a little bit, like a tablespoon, okay? Good to rock and roll. So now to shape, but you just take whatever size you want, so you just roll it up, and that's it. So if you want it to be this big, you just make it this size, right? But I want mine to be smaller, so I'm gonna probably cut this in half, and I'm just gonna make it like, it's hard to do it with the left hand, guys, sorry. I'm trying to make this as clear as possible, but I want mine to be this size, so I'm just doing it like that, and that's it. And we're just gonna put it in the oven, or you can just fry it, but I'm gonna boil it a little bit first so that the inside is not too red, and then you can fry it, or you can just put it in the oven. So it's up to you how you like it. I love the oven because it's just healthier, less oil. But there you have that. There you have it, guys. I'm just gonna do a lot of it and just leave it here and just show you the display, and that's it. You can see it's looking beautiful. So I'm just gonna boil this for about like 15 minutes, and then we're gonna fry it, okay? Or you can put it in the oven. It's up to you, whatever you want to do, okay? If you want to put it in the oven, you don't have to boil it. But if you're going to fry it, you can boil it for about 15 minutes, and then you can fry it. And you can fry it in butter, or you can fry it in oil. It's up to you. Alright, so I added a little bit of water. So I'm going to give it about 15-20 minutes, and then I'm going to fry it, okay? So I'm going to boil this up for 15 to 20 minutes, baby. So as you guys can see, it's ready. So I'm going to take it out of the water, let the water dry a little bit, and then I'm going to fry it real quick. And that's it. It's all done. So I'm just taking it out of the water, okay? That's all. Alright guys, so this is ready to be fried. So I'm just gonna add it right in here. Okay, so we're just gonna fry it to our liking. And that is it. This is really easy breezy. Meatball from home. I think meatball from home is much more tastier than than the ones you buy at the store, quite honestly. I don't like the ones from the store. I found that it's not tasty. And just turning it as it becomes very nice and, you know, brown. You just turn it, you know, so that it doesn't burn. Tastes so good, guys. Again, you can use like whatever spices that you like. It doesn't have to be what I have. It can be whatever you want. Because obviously a lot of people are not going to be from Africa, so there are some spices that you may not like or be comfortable with or even know about. So you can just use whatever you want and it will taste just as good. Okay, so that's all. Alright, my love, that's the final look. I tried to make it look as presentable as I could, but this is so delicious. So I hope you guys try this recipe. Let me know how you like it. But yeah, that's an easy breezy.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.